Customers today are contacting you through multiple channels. And as they become more demanding, they expect you to respond faster and more efficiently than ever before. But jumping between disjointed channels isn't how you provide real-time, personalized communication. That's why you need Unity Contact Center. In a single platform, you can unify all incoming calls and conversations, including emails, callbacks, web chats, tweets, and SMS, and respond to them quickly too. The platform also comes with web chat and callback widgets you can add to your website. With intelligent routing and a single intuitive interface, your agents can respond faster and more productively. For example, when an inquiry comes in from a customer or prospect, your agent can access conversation histories and see exactly how to respond. Transferring conversations is easy too. Unity Contact Center comes with many more features to enhance your agent's experience and that of your supervisors. Supervisors have full visibility of overall contact center performance, including individual agent and queue activity. And they can access all previous conversations in seconds. They can also monitor traffic flows in real time and retask agents as required. Or they can jump into conversations to assist agents and deal with issues. All this and more empowers your supervisors to improve quality and performance. Unity Contact Center integrates with your existing email platform and website, so it's incredibly fast to get up and running. And it's so easy to customize. Configure your web chat and choose which message it displays. You can select when your web chat is visible on your website, or change the color, design, and much more. And because Unity Contact Center also integrates with the leading CRM platforms, whatever happens in our platform will show up in your CRM too. As a cloud-based solution, Unity Contact Center will scale with your business as it grows. Provide exceptional customer communication in a multi-channel world with Unity Contact Center.